Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, CCUK Resin, and have I got some exciting news that I wanted to share with everyone. I was about to go to bed, to be honest, because it's quite late, and I've just started the gym, which means I'm getting up at 4:30 in the morning, which is pretty late, so excuse the bags. But this is in relation to the live. So I've been speaking to a few different resin suppliers, to try and get us a sponsor to see if we can grow these lives quicker. And I had an email back today from one of my favorite resin suppliers that I've worked with over the past few months and where I've tried their products. And you've probably heard of them. And they've recently gone through a rebrand too. And I wanted to share it with everybody. And well, let's just get straight into it. So they used to be called Just For You Online UK.com, and now they are rebranded, and a lot of you know them. They're a UK-based resin business called Apex Resin, and I absolutely love them. They do everything ranging from UV resins, standard cure resins, fast cure resins, deep cast resins, EcoPore, which is a fantastic medium to use, as well as some new resins that I've not even played with yet, which is things like the quantum resin. And one thing that I love about them, they are always trying to develop new products for us resin creators to play with. So I really thought the synergy was there. Nicola and Laura over there are both brilliant people as well. So I am so happy that they have decided to come on board and sponsor the lives. So what that means basically for everybody that comes on the lives, and hopefully for them as well, is we can all keep growing together, which is so exciting for me. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be upgrading the platform that I use for those lives so that it can be streamed in multiple places at once. I'm thinking initially Instagram, YouTube, and probably TikTok, all at the same time, which should grow our audience, which will hopefully grow everybody's channel together, and also hopefully help support Apex in getting their brand out there a little bit more. So if you've not been on the website, have a look. Apex Resin, stick it in Google, do whatever's easiest for you to find it, but have a look on there. They've also got a promotion running at the moment where if it's your first order, there's a discount code on the website to get yourself 25% off. Now, if you've already ordered from them, but you still want to get money off your next order, use my discount code, which is CCUK, and get yourself some money off. Who doesn't like money off resin? But genuinely, I'm so happy. They do some really good resins, quality resins. I even love the packaging and the fact that they come in this size sort of containers, and you can get some really cool effects. So for the channel, for the foreseeable, you're only going to be seeing me use Apex resins in my videos. So if you want to follow the channel, you want to follow the tutorials and do exactly what I'm doing, do yourself a favor, get yourself some Apex resin. If you can, use that discount code on the website for 25% off. If you can't, use mine, CCUK. Dead easy to remember. Get yourself some money off, and let's all keep growing together. And don't forget, those lives are on a Tuesday, 8 PM UK time, where we get to meet a different resin artist every week, and you get to ask your questions and meet the artist behind the gloves. So once again, thank you, Apex Resin, for supporting us all, and let's all support each other because we all grow together. And I'll see you on the next live on Tuesday.